Alright. It's raining. My dress, I'm not wearing anything. Well, I'm wearing some shorts and it's raining outside. So, I don't know if y'all can hear it. Sorry, but I'm not cutting that out. Other than that, here's what I got in my stop motion so far. I wanted to do a stop motion series, but the stop motion app that I'm using doesn't actually put the stop motions in my gallery, so I'm not going to be able to post them on YouTube. I'm going to have to find... Actually, no, maybe I'll just do another channel that's just made for stop motions. But, whoa, I just did something to my ear. But this is what I got all right now, and then I'm not introducing this, guys. But yeah, pretty soon enough, y'all will be understanding why this is here. This shouldn't be like this. It probably fell while I was asleep. But yeah, I just want to introduce y'all to everyone right now. So, right... Where is it? Okay, right here. Right, okay, right there. So, that guy right there actually is, so there's, I probably shouldn't mention his name in real life, because his dad doesn't, probably doesn't want me doing that. I'm gonna pause the video and go get my backpack from downstairs. I'll be upstairs. Y'all have no idea how long that took. Alright, here's my notebook. I haven't drawn anything in it. This is what I'm going to be using for my videos if I tell any stories. Just draw like the other ones out in JD Animation. Something else YT and Dominic does. Those are always the ones I know. This is my Team Legends notebook. I don't know if y'all can see it. Can y'all see it? Yeah, but anyways. This is my character. So, these two universes are completely different from each other. This universe is in this universe, where everything's Lego. This universe is actually in real life. That's why they're so different from each other. Like, you're not going to see any Marvel heroes in there, or Thanos in there. You're literally just going to see a couple. Here's this. That's an alien I created about a year ago. All this stuff that I've drawn was created either a couple of years ago or a month ago. Like this one was made a couple of months ago. Because as you can see, I've been getting a lot better at making weapons. I mean, look at this! So this is the latest thing I'm drawing so far. I think it's pretty good. It's normal. That's that. Copyright strike if you copyright it. This is my art supply, which I'm going to be using to, make all my stuff. This, right here, I don't know if you can see that. I did this during math class. This, I drew that. This is a terrible drawing of Corey Kenshin. I tried making, if y'all know who that is, go look in my, people that I subscribe to. I created this. This was actually from JD Animation's channel. I just redrew it. I think it's really good. I tried making a mystery block from Mario. I know, it's terrible. That's all I've drawn so far. That's not good. I'm angry.